I am Dr. Santosh Kumar Biswal, an assistant professor with Symbiosis Institute of Media and Communication, Symbiosis International, Deemed University, Pune. So today we are going to discuss and understand the broadcasting writing style for television program. Learning outcomes. We'll be able to understand the characteristics of broadcast writing for television. We'll be able to understand the creative skills required for broadcast writing for television. We'll be able to understand the responsibility of broadcast writing. So the entire learning outcomes is based on how to write for television program, how to write for television news, how television news is different from radio news, and creative skills and the sense of responsibility that writers should possess. These are the point of discussion for today. The phrases like a picture speaks 1,000 words and seeing is believing are popular when one thinks and attempts to measure the impact of visuals. When it comes to medium of visuals, television has become an accepted audio visual medium among the audience. Barrow Jr. and Westland describes a medium which utilizes both visual and auditory dimensions such as television or sound motion pictures is more television journalism effective in transmitting information than one which utilizes the auditory dimensions alone such as radio. Above all, television enjoys the qualities of audiovisual medium, credibility, glamorous medium, democratizing medium, widespread across to the medium of choice and advertiser's choice. Since storytelling plays an important role in television, writing the same story remains pivotal in television programs. Therefore, the importance of script for television programs is always felt and demanded. To sum it up, we could know that since television is a means of audiovisual programs and it is much more effective than newspaper and radio, so the importance on scripting for television remains very pivotal. So how we are going to write for script, how it could be more effective to penetrate the minds of listeners and the viewers, that is more important. So now discuss all these points one by one and with lot of clarity. John Patrick Sanney, American playwright, screenwriter and director, mentions if you put someone in a room with no script to direct, they are just going to sit there. Writing script is the execution of for a show. Then the director takes that and hires people. It's like trying to build a house without any bricks. You need a great script. Similarly, Tim Bevan, New Zealand British film producer, asserts scripts are what matters. If you get the foundation right, then you get the right ingredients on top. You stand out. But if you get those foundations wrong, then you are absolutely don't understand a shot. It's very rare, almost never, that a good film gets made from a bad screenplay. Now we can conclude that script is very important for any sort of television program or the films. So without a good script, we cannot go with a good television program, be it the teleserials, be it television news or the soap operas. Now it's time to discuss various television formats. Television script formats vary from one station to another, but virtually all stations follow some variation of the prototype formats. If you have the basic understanding of the script structure, you may design a script structure of your own that is most comfortable for you. Now discuss and understand what are the basic tips to make a television script better and effective for the viewers. Scripts for television are written in two columns. A column on the left is basically the instructions to the director. It doesn't appear on the teleprompter. A right hand column contains information about the anchor and actual copy it reads aloud. Reader. A reader is the most useful but straightforward TV news format for a variety of reasons. In just a few well-written lines, viewers can get an overview of a story. By keeping the copy short, television can increase the story count of their show and keep the pacing up as well. If a story is of worth running, its visual or the pictures are not merely available, or reader may be the answer. Slog, cabby or denture. It is very essential to know the basics of television scripting. Develop your idea. Sometimes you create an original idea. More often, projects are assigned to give you by your supervisors. You must develop all the details by brainstorming with others, researching relevant information and mapping the actions and reactions. Identifying your target audience, it remains an important factor while scripting for television, whatever the programs is. So, if you are not able to understand who is your target audience, scripting is not going to penetrate the viewer's mind. The program will go in vain. So, it is important to understand who is your target audience. Based on the target audience, we are going to write the script. If the script is good, then the engagement with the audience, the engagement with the viewers will be more appealing and effective. Identifying the target audience remains an important factor in script writing. You must know who is your intended audience in order to know their attention. It affects all the aspects of the video: the length of the video, language, graphic, content and information, music and visual effects, the editing style. It is necessary to check the various dimensions of a script. These are as follows. Audio must match the video, both the ambient and the voiceover. Make it easy for the talent to read and the audience to understand. Use a preliminary script as a plan for taping. Don't use abbreviations. Most of the time write out numbers. Don't break sentences between pages or words between the lines. Now let us understand the basic layout of broadcast writing style. As you know that writing for television is different from writing or script for radio. So in this slide, writing for television should be very carefully undertaken so that it can reach out to the hearts and minds of viewers and spectators, right? So in this concern, in this guideline, we should be very much conscious to write the script in a very better and effective manner. Broadcast writing style for television news is different from radio news. Be it radio news or television news, there are certain key instructions to write a useful script. The nature of writing should be conversational. One needs to write the way one talks. Each sentence in the script should carry one idea. More than one idea in a line in a script may distort the idea or may confuse the viewers. The sentences should be preferably small as seats to the audience in the broadcast medium. Shorter sentences are better in scripting news stories. Shorter the sentences in news script are better for the viewers because shorter sentences are usually preferred by the viewers. So same applies for the television news. While writing television news, use short sentences, use simple and short words. Don't use more commas, don't use lengthy sentences or the lengthy words because it will distort the mind of television viewers. Use simple language and avoid jargons if possible. Be direct when writing the news for broadcast medium. Use active verb while writing the script. Choose appropriate words for scripting the news. Script writers for broadcast medium should use the words that have good sound. Appropriate words evoke images in the minds of listeners. If the script is meant for the radio, there is no doubt that the visual elements appeal to the listeners. Maintain brevity while writing for the script news. A news story can be above 100 words and less than 1,000 words. However, brevity cannot be at the cost of clarity. Clarity should be maintained. So use short sentences for the television news. Try to maintain brevity because it will attract the television viewers. But brevity cannot be maintained at the cost of clarity. Use present tense as much as possible. Use past tense when it is of utmost required. Present tense reflects the immediacy. Use more present tense than the past tense because present tense unravels the immediacy, to the readers. It is better to give a few seconds to listeners to draw their attention. Be it radio or television, the audiences cannot review or re-listen or read the story. In television news, if words and pictures are not cohesive, then it will disturb the viewer's understanding and attention. In television scripting, the words and visuals should match. They should be maintained in a cohesive manner. Failing to which, it will create a kind of distortion in the mind of viewers. It is not going to create a meaningful appeal in the minds of television viewers.